The Vivo Y17s is the latest addition to Vivo's smartphone lineup, announced in September 2023 and released on October 2, 2023. This smartphone offers a combination of features and specifications that cater to a budget-conscious audience. In this review, we'll delve into its design, display, performance, camera capabilities, and more. Design and build. 7/10. The Vivo Y17s features a well-built design with a glass front, a plastic frame, and a plastic back, which is quite standard in this price range. It is relatively slim at 8.1 mm and has a weight of 186 grams, making it comfortable to hold and carry. One notable feature is its IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, which provides a degree of durability. Display. 6/10. The 6.56-inch IPS LCD display on the Vivo Y17s offers decent visuals with a peak brightness of 700 nits. However, the resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels is a bit underwhelming in comparison to other smartphones in this price range. The resulting pixel density of around 269 pixels per inch may not provide the sharpest text or images. While it does offer a good screen-to-body ratio, a higher resolution display would have improved the overall user experience. Performance. 6/10. The Vivo Y17s runs on Android 13 with Vivo's FunTouch 13 skin on top. It is powered by the MediaTek MT6769 Helio G85 chipset, which is a decent midrange processor. The octa-core CPU, comprised of 2 Cortex-A75 cores and 6 Cortex-A55 cores, should handle most day-to-day tasks without much trouble. However, it might struggle with more resource-intensive applications and games. The Mali G52MC2 GPU is capable but not high-end, so gamers may experience limitations in terms of graphics performance. Memory and storage. 7/10. The smartphone comes with 128 GB of internal storage and 6 GB of RAM, which is adequate for most users. The inclusion of a dedicated microSD card slot is a positive feature for those who need additional storage space. The eMMC 5.1 storage technology, while common in this price range, isn't as fast as UFS storage, which may lead to slightly slower app loading times. Camera. 6/10. The Vivo Y17s boasts a dual camera setup on the back, with a 50 megapixels wide lens and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The primary camera should capture decent photos in well-lit conditions, but don't expect it to excel in low light. The 8 megapixels front camera is acceptable for selfies and video calls, but it won't produce the sharpest or most detailed images. Battery. 8/10. The 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery is one of the standout features of the Vivo Y17s. With its energy-efficient MediaTek chipset and lower resolution display, the device should easily provide a full day's worth of use, and even more for light users. The inclusion of 15W wired charging is sufficient for this battery capacity, but it's not particularly fast. Additional features. 6/10. The Vivo Y17s includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. It also features standard connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, and USB Type-C. However, The absence of NFC might disappoint users who rely on contactless payments. Overall, 6.5, the Vivo Y17s is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a reasonable mix of features and specifications. It's a solid choice for users who prioritize a large battery and water resistance. However, the lower resolution display and Midrange chipset might not satisfy users with higher performance and display quality expectations. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable device that handles everyday tasks, the Vivo Y17s is worth considering.